he is. Fish on the jig. Bass too. Oh my god. Oh, that's a good fish. Jump off. Don't jump off. Oh, don't jump off. There we go. Come on. Stay on there. Oh, that's a good fish. There we go. Oh, dude, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. It's my first fish on the jig, and that is a heck of a fish. Oh my god, on the jig. Hook just came out, no problem. That is a good fish right there. Just ate that jig. Oh, that's a good fish. I don't know how much he's gonna weigh, but that's at least a 3-pounder right there. Oh, that's a good fish. Let's see if we can get this bait up here. On the peanut butter and jelly crawfish jig right there. He just ate it. Where's my scale? It's a good fish. I don't know how much he's gonna weigh. We'll see. 3 pounds on the dot. Well, oh yeah. Didn't beat my pond record, but that is one chunk of a fish right there. 3-pounder right there, right off the bank. That is crazy. His tail all bloody too. Oh. On the peanut butter and jelly jig. I missed him the first time. I threw it back up in there the second time, and he just hammered it. 3-pounder right there on the jig. Get a release on him. Awesome. I was taking this peanut butter and jelly jig with a yum crawl, and I pitched it right in here by these bushes where I've seen some big bass hang out, and I just jigged it down in there, and that bass just smoked it. Literally, that fish was 2 feet off the bank, fishing right off that drop off right there. It goes down about 4 feet, and that bass was just in there waiting on it, and he hailed that bait. That was the first fish of the morning, so we're going to throw this a little bit more and see if we can get any more on it. Oh, there's another one. He's got it. Oh yeah, there's another one. Oh, it's a good fish. One. Oh, he just threw it. Oh, that's a pretty fish. Oh yeah, another nice fish there on the jig. Threw it in there right off the bank again. I mean, not as big as the other one, but that is a pretty fish. The colors on that fish are beautiful. Oh, that's awesome. I can't get enough of that. Jig fishing is one of the most fun fishing you can ever do. He just ate that, again, on the peanut butter and jelly jig with a yum crawl on there. These fish just hammered it. Get a weight on him. I'd say he's about a 2-pounder. Calm down, fish. Come on, hey, calm. Calm down. Exactly 2 pounds. 2 pounds on the dot. You see where I hooked up on him right there on the roof of the mouth. It's right where you want to get him too. That was just a beautiful fish right there. Beautiful colors on that bass. Beautiful fish. Get a release. Alright, just caught another fish there on the jig. Another 2 pounders right there. Let's see if we can go get some more. Oh, there's one. Oh, crap. Oh, I still got the fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a little bitty one. On a reel. This freaking broke or whatever. I don't know. Just made a weird noise, but that fish just choked that jig. Choked it. It's the 3rd fish of the day. Absolutely just ate that jig. Right when it hit the water. Awesome.
Ooh, ah. I'm like a magician, all out to your vision. You see what I want you to see. The truth is a stranger, no doubt I'm a danger. I'm not who I wanna be, so abracadabra.